Hello everyone. Today I wanted to do a pretty short, just kind of a phone video about certainty, because I think that it's a really important topic and one that we don't cover as much as we need to, basically. So I just kind of wanted to make this little one, whether I'm going to end up posting it or not. It's just like, felt like making it. So really it comes down to certainty. Why is the world so fearful? Why is fear everywhere? Why is it getting to everybody, you know? And I think the reason is people are very uncertain about their future. They're very much like, they were told from an early age, particularly like middle school and high school these days are very focused on how you need to get to this perfect college, you need to have all these great grades, all these standardized tests, this and that, and this and that. And it's just, there's so much pressure put on everybody about these specific expectations that they really skip a sense of certainty in the long run. So many people get this kind of sense of uncertainty or certainty of bad outcomes in their life or all that kind of stuff. And I think that really makes it hard for people to not be fearful. So people end up like fearful and anxious like all the time. And I think that's the main issue here. So if you can really reduce that sense of anxiety if you're going to be able to feel certainty about your future, about like components of it. You don't need to have a specific like set thing, which is the problem of perfectionism. People think like they have a really uncertain future, or they feel like weird about their future. They think something really bad's going to happen. So they think they have to pull the whole world in and make it all positive by being perfect. But the answer is really instead you just have to be reasonable about it. Just expect a decent outcome in the long run. So like in the next like 5 years, the person could imagine I'll have a steady paying job, paying high in the 5 figures or 6 figures or 7 figures, whatever. It doesn't actually matter. What matters is your sense of certainty, because whatever you give to the subconscious mind, it's going to deliver in some shape or form or fashion. And so that's really necessary here. If you can nail down a sense of certainty in the long run that everything's going to work out, everything's going to be fine, then that can really, really help you out. But that's about it for this video. Thanks for tuning in. And yeah, I'll talk to you later with some more just cut by cut kind of stuff. This is just me talking off the top of my head when I feel inspired about it. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I hope this is useful. So thanks.